Sometimes the simplest recipes are the most refreshing. Today I'm making a very easy cucumber salad that's light, fresh, and perfect for everyday meals. Let's look at the fresh ingredients for this salad. We need 3 medium cucumbers, 1 small white onion, half a fresh lemon, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped coriander leaves. These are the seasonings we'll be using. 1 tablespoon olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Let's start. Wash the cucumbers well under running water. After washing, pat the cucumbers dry with a clean cloth. This helps keep the salad crisp. Trim off both ends of the cucumbers. Slice the cucumbers into half-moon shapes. Keep the slices even. Transfer the sliced cucumbers into a clean mixing bowl. Thinly slice 1 small white onion and add it to the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sprinkle in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finish with 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything gently, so the cucumbers stay fresh and crisp. Let the salad rest for 1 to 2 minutes so the flavors come together. The cucumber salad is ready. Fresh, light, and refreshing. If you enjoyed this simple and refreshing recipe, please subscribe to the channel for more easy and everyday recipes.